Hello students. So students, we will continue with the previous chapter, heredity and variations. So I will explain you some of the basic concepts of molecular biology, and after that we will start with the revision from very first chapter, and then afterwards we will start with chapter heredity and variation. Okay, so after I finish with the basic concepts of molecular biology, okay, we will again do the revision, only the revision. I will give you the assignments, or sometimes I will share some videos with you, and after we finish again the revision, then I will start with chapter heredity and variations. But till I finish, I will explain you the basic concepts of molecular biology, and without which you will not be able to understand chapter heredity and variations. Now students, you all know what are chromosomes, you know now what are chromatid, DNA replication, what is DNA, genes, all these things you know. Okay, now DNA, see, I explained you that in the body cells they are diploid, means the number of chromosomes are double. That is, in humans the number of chromosomes in diploid cell or in body cell is 46, which occurs in 23 pairs. These 23 pairs, okay, how they are arranged: chromosome 1, pair chromosome 1, pair chromosome 2, pair chromosome 3, fourth pair of chromosome, fifth pair of, like this till 23 pairs. Now please pay attention. These chromosomes, 46 chromosomes, are arranged in 26 pairs. Okay. Now in each pair, one chromosome is contributed by mother, which is called as maternal chromosome, and one chromosome is contributed by father, which is called as paternal chromosome. And each chromosome consists of two chromatids, which are held together by centromere. Because this occurs after DNA replication. First the chromatin is condensed to chromosomes, then the chromosomes, then the DNA, it replicates. So each chromosome consists of two chromatids. Okay, and here now like the duplicated chromosome of mother will consist of two chromatids. Okay, and both the chromatids are exactly similar, because you have seen in DNA replication that both the copies of DNA are exactly identical to each other. And even in the paternal chromosome also, both the chromatids are exactly similar to each other. And I have also explained you that genes are what? They are the functional portion of DNA or functional portion of chromosomes. So in these chromosomes, in these duplicated chromosomes, genes are present. Now suppose if it's a duplicate chromosome or duplicate maternal chromosome, then in that duplicated maternal chromosome, the genes are located. Let us say the gene which controls the eye color, okay, that is located. Let us consider that there is a maternal chromosome which is contributed by mother, and here that is a duplicated chromosome, means the chromosome will have two chromatids. What are these two chromatids? These two chromatids are nothing but they are the DNA, they are identical DNA. So here in maternal chromosome, let us say the first gene, that is the gene which controls the eye color. So it is a duplicated chromosome, means it will have two chromatids. So both the chromatids will have at the same position the gene for eye color. Let us say the eye color of mother is blue, and which is denoted by small b. So in both the chromatid at the same position, the gene B will be there, because they are exactly identical to each other. I hope it is clear to everyone. So the chromosomes, they always, just during cell division, just before cell division, the 46 chromosomes are there, and they come and lie in the center of the cell in pairs, and in each pair one chromosome is of mother and another one is of father. But how they lie, how they come to know which chromosome has to pair with which chromosome, because there are 46 chromosomes. So how it happens, how chromosome 1 pairs with chromosome 1 of mother pairs with chromosome 1 of father, or chromosome 2 pairs with chromosome 2 of father. How they pair? They pair the pairing, the chromosomes, all the 46 chromosomes, they pair and they lie in the center, and these chromosomes of the pair are homologous chromosomes. What are homologous chromosomes? Homologous chromosomes are made up of chromosomes pair of approximately the same length, same position of centromere, and they correspond to the genes controlling the particular trait at the same position. That is very important. Please pay attention. This is very important. Then our next chapter, heredity and variation, will become easier for you. Just before cell division, all the chromosomes, they lie in pairs. And how they lie? In each pair, so there will be 23 pairs. If there are 46 chromosomes, there will be 23 pairs. So out of 23 pairs, 23 chromosomes will be contributed by mother and 23 will be contributed by father. Now, these chromosome pairs, each chromosome pair, the chromosomes are homologous chromosome. Let us consider chromosome pair 1. In chromosome pair 1, one chromosome will be of mother, another chromosome will be of father. Okay, but they are homologous, means both the chromosomes are exactly similar in the way that they have same length. The position of the centromere is same. Now, why I am saying the position of the centromere is same? Because the chromosome consists of two chromatids. The mother chromosome will consist of two chromatids because it has replicated. First replication will take place and then they will come and lie in the center of the cell. Okay, so even in the father's chromosome also, what will happen? There will be two chromatids and the two chromatids will have the same genes. Now in pair 1, it will have maternal as well as paternal chromosome. So lengthwise they will be similar. The position of the centromere will be same, okay, and each chromosome will consist of two chromatids, and the two chromatids will be exactly similar as I told you because they are identical copies of DNA. Now, first of all, let us take maternal chromosome of pair 1. So here let us assume that the first position, okay, that controls the eye color, that controls the trait or the character eye color, and the color of the eye of mother is blue. So first, and that blue color of the eye, that is denoted by small b. So first position in maternal chromosome, which will have the chromatids, which will have the two chromatids, okay, that will be small b. So in maternal chromosome, both the chromatids at the first position will have small b. Now we will take father's chromosome in pair 1, which has a homologous chromosome. So in homologous chromosome, even in father's chromosome also, or paternal chromosome also, the first position will have the gene that will control the eye color only. So what I mean to say, in the homologous chromosomes, the genes controlling a particular trait will be located at the same position. So let us say now in father's chromosome or paternal chromosome, the first position will have the gene that controls the eye color, and in case of father, the eye color is black, which is denoted by capital B. So in both the chromatids of father's chromosome or paternal chromosome, there will be capital B. Understood or no? So the genes controlling a particular trait will be located at the same position in a homologous chromosome. That is very, very important. Now you can see even in the picture also of homologous chromosomes, you can see that one is paternal chromosome, another is maternal chromosome, and these are the homologous chromosome. Let us say this is pair 1, because 23 pairs I will not show you, just one pair I will explain you, and other pairs will also be similar to each other. Now suppose this is one pair, these are the homologous chromosome. Now here you can see red one is the maternal chromosome and blue one is the paternal chromosome. Now you will see the locus of eye color locus is same, or the position of eye color in both the chromosome, that is maternal as well as paternal, is same, and each chromosome, that is the paternal chromosome, consists of two chromatids and the maternal chromosome also consists of two chromatids, because the unduplicated chromosome has replicated. First the chromatin condenses to form the chromosome, then that chromosome, the DNA of the chromosome, it replicates and it forms the two identical copies of DNA, and these two identical copies are held together by the centromere. And one DNA is called one chromatid and another is called as another chromatid, and in the chromosome there are two chromatids which are called as sister chromatids because they are exactly similar to each other. I hope it is clear to everyone. You can see here in the picture. Okay, now I will explain you only mitosis today. Okay, rest meiosis we will discuss in next class. But students, please understand this thing. Mitosis, it is a division. As you all know that when the cells grow, it divides into two. Okay, this is called as mitosis, the division of body cells. Okay, that is called mitosis. So in mitosis, one cell after it grows, it divides into two daughter cells. It divides into two cells, and in each cell the number of chromosomes are diploid, or it has a diploid dose of chromosomes, or in both the cells the number of chromosomes will be 46. Out of 46, 23 chromosomes are contributed by mother and 23 chromosomes are contributed by father. I know you must be having some doubts, but when you will study meiosis, when we will discuss meiosis, the doubts will be clearer. Okay, but for the timing, whatever I am explaining, just understand that much. So when we will discuss meiosis, then everything will be clear to you. Okay, so mitosis takes place in the body cells. It does not take place in the germ cells which are present in the reproductive organs. The germ cells which are present in the reproductive organs, there the meiosis takes place. Okay, but mitosis takes place in the body cells, where one cell divides into two cells, and in both the cells the number of chromosomes will be 46, or there will be two N chromosomes, or the cells will be diploid. Whereas in gametes, or whereas the germ cells which give rise to gametes, which are present in the reproductive organs, for example the testes in case of male and ovary in case of female, here the germ cells which are diploid, okay, initially which has 46 chromosomes, they divide to form 4 cells, and in all the 4 cells the number of chromosome is half. In all the 4 cells the number of chromosome is 23, and these 4 cells are called as gametes. For example, in case of males, the germ cells which is present in the testes undergo division called meiosis, which gives rise to 4 cells, and these 4 cells are gametes. These 4 cells in case of males are called as sperms, and they will have half the number of chromosomes. They will have 23 chromosomes. And in case of females, the germ cells which are present in the ovary, they are diploid initially, they undergo meiosis, they give rise to 4 cells, and these 4 cells are the gametes called as ova, and it will have haploid dose of chromosome, or half the number of chromosomes, that is 23. Okay, so just remember this much. Next we will do in next class. Okay, meiosis we will do in next class. So here this is mitosis. You can see here in mitosis only one chromosome pair is shown here. So first picture which you can see here, there are these 2 chromosomes. These are unduplicated chromosomes. So what will happen? DNA replication will take place, and here they will duplicate, because here the DNA will replicate, and what will happen? The exact copies of DNA will be formed, and which will be held together by the centromere. You can see in the second picture, this unduplicated chromosome has become duplicated. One is the maternal chromosome, one is the paternal chromosome. So it has become duplicated, and it lies in the second picture. You can see. So this is one pair of homologous chromosome. One is paternal, another one is maternal, and each chromosome is having 2 chromatids. Now what will happen? The division will take place. This is the cell. Now what will happen? This one chromatid of mother and one chromatid of father will go and lie at the opposite poles. Understood? one chromatid, red chromatid, one chromatid of mother will go at one end, and one chromatid of father, which is shown by blue color, will go at one end, and the remaining one chromatid of mother will go at the another end, and one chromatid of father will go at the other end. So in both the ends there will be one mother chromatid and one father chromatid. And what is this chromatid? This chromatid is nothing but it is DNA, or it is you can say a chromosome. Understood or no? And then the cell will divide into two, and these two cells will be diploid. As I told you, the number of chromosomes in diploid cells, okay, in case of mitosis will be same. So here what has happened? The mother chromatid and the father chromatids have moved to the opposite poles, and then the cell has divided, and this cell has the diploid dose of chromosomes. I hope it is clear to everyone. And here it is chromatid actually. Chromatid of both the chromatid of a chromosome are similar. So the two cells which are diploid cells which are produced, they are similar. Okay, so students, in mitosis two cells are produced and the number of chromosomes in both the cells are diploid. Okay, next we will do in next class. Thank you, students.